Hello everyone, I am Monica Rana. This is Jago Himachal 365 and you're watching Hillquest News channel. So let's get started with today's headline. 3 days vaccine left for 18 plus. Center refuse most talk for May, said Delhi government. Mumbai records 479 tree fall incidents in 12 hours due to Taukte cyclone. Maharashtra to vaccine mental illness patient without IDs from May 19. Don't call for children adoption on social media, said government. 177 rescued from barge amid cyclone Taukte. Search for 96 underway. India reports highest coronavirus recoveries in last 24 hours as 4,22,436 recover. 191 ventilators left unused due to lack of trained staff in Himachal Pradesh. Big B's office gets flooded as cyclone Taukte hits Mumbai. Delhi sees less than 5,000 new cases for second straight day, 265 more deaths. Now news in detail. 3 days vaccine left for 18 plus. Center refused most talk for May, said Delhi government. Delhi Deputy CM Manish Sisodia on Monday said that the center has communicated to the Delhi government that the city will not be receiving any more vaccine for 18 to 44 age category for the month of May. Sisodia added that there is only 3 days worth of Covishield vaccination left, adding that supplies of Covaxin for younger age bracket are already over. Mumbai records 479 tree fall incident in 12 hours due to Taukte cyclone. As many as 479 tree fall incidents were recorded in Mumbai within 12 hours starting from 7 am on Monday as high velocity winds due to cyclone Taukte swept through the city. According to BMC officials, no injuries were reported, but vehicles were damaged in the incident. BMC has started work on clearing the roads on a war footing, officials added. Maharashtra to vaccine mental illness patient without IDs from May 19. Maharashtra will start the process of vaccinating patient with mental illness irrespective of whether they have identification proof from May 19. Dr. Sadhna Taide, Directorate of Health Services said the drive will gradually cover other groups such as the residents of old age home and rehabilitation centers as well as destitute, nomads, beggars and other people without IDs. Don't call for children adoption on social media, said government. The Ministry of Women and Child Development has issued a notice urging the general public to refrain from circulating messages on social media for the adoption of children who have been orphaned due to COVID-19. The notice also said that information regarding such children could be shared on the Child Helpline 1098. 177 rescued from barge amid cyclone Taukte. Search for 96 underway. As many as 177 people on board a barge which went adrift off the Mumbai coast on Monday have been rescued so far by the Indian Navy. The search operation for the remaining 96 are underway. INS Kochi and INS Kolkata along with MV Offshore Energy and MV Ahilya continue in extremely challenging circumstances, the spokesperson of the Indian Navy tweeted. India reports highest coronavirus recoveries in last 24 hours as 4,22,436 recover. India on Tuesday reported as many as 4,22,436 new coronavirus recoveries, taking the total number of recoveries in the country to 2,15,96,512. The national coronavirus recovery rate now stands at 86.60%. The daily recoveries have outnumbered the daily new COVID-19 cases in the country for the 7th time in the last 8 days. 191 ventilators left unused due to lack of trained staff in Himachal Pradesh. At least 191 ventilators are lying unused in hospitals in Himachal Pradesh due to lack of trained staff and other technical reasons like want of medical gas pipeline system. The health department has now hired a private company to install the ventilators. The ventilators were received from the center under the PM Care last year amid the coronavirus pandemic. Big B's office gets flooded as cyclone Taukte hits Mumbai. Actor Amitabh Bachchan on Monday night informed fans that his office Janak was flooded after cyclone Taukte hit Mumbai. He also shared how sheds and shelters for some staff were blown away. Staff simply amazing in such conditions. Their uniform, bed and dripping what they continue. Gave them dresses urgently, changes urgently in the strife from my own wardrobe, Bachchan added. Delhi sees less than 5,000 new cases for second straight day, 265 more deaths. Delhi on Tuesday recorded less than 5,000 new cases of coronavirus for the second day in a row, taking the total COVID-19 case load in the national capital to 14,02,873. The daily COVID-19 positivity rate dipped to 6.89%. The daily COVID-19 related deaths in Delhi also dropped to 265 on Tuesday as compared to 340 on Monday. So this is all for today. Stay tuned and keep watching Hillquest News Channel. Thank you.
समाचार, मनोरंजन, एजुकेशन और भी बहुत कुछ लेकर आ रहा है.
This is Himachal 365 TV and you're watching Hillquest News. I am Garima.
मैं अनुराग.
मैं शिल्पा शर्मा. मैं मोनिका राणा.
मेरा नाम है आशीष.
मैं पूजा धीमान.
ये है हिमाचल 365 TV और आप देख रहे हैं Hillquest TV News.
I am Garima. You're watching Hillquest News. Let's start with the headlines. Efforts are being made to bolster supply of COVID-19 vaccines. Mamata Banerjee's two ministers spent night in jail, two leaders in hospital. Petrol diesel prices hike again. Petrol crosses 99 per litre mark in Mumbai. Bhat sinks of Bombay High, over 125 still missing. 270 doctors died of COVID-19 in second wave of pandemic. Sonu Sood notifies followers about fake COVID-19 donation campaign in his name. In Himachal, over 30% positivity rate in 6 districts. New mom Anushka Sharma shares valuable information for expectant mother amid pandemic. Now news in detail. Efforts are being made to bolster supply of COVID-19 vaccine. PM Modi urged the official to pay attention to rural and remote regions of the country as the second wave of COVID-19 surges. Through these areas, he urged officials to undertake rigorous efforts to test, isolate and treat those affected. Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacted with field officials from different states and districts on Tuesday to discuss the COVID-19 situations. PM Modi told the attendees that the Union Health Ministry is undertaking continuous efforts to bolster supply of COVID-19 vaccines on a large scale. Continuous efforts are being made to increase the supply of COVID-19 vaccine on a large scale. The Health Minister is streamlining the system and the process of vaccination. Mamata Banerjee's two ministers spent night in jail, two leaders in hospital. 4 leaders, including 2 Bengal ministers, were moved to jail in Calcutta late last night after a day of dramatic developments that started with their early morning arrest in the Narda bribery case, followed by bail, which was finally put on hold by a court. After their bail, challenged by the CBI, was stayed by the Calcutta High Court, were taken to the Presidency Correctional Home late last night. All 4 were taken on Monday morning to the CBI by Central Forces to challenge their arrest. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee spent 6 hours at the CBI office and dared the investigators to arrest her. Petrol diesel prices hiked again. Petrol crosses 99 per litre mark in Mumbai. After a day's pause, the state-owned oil companies on Tuesday have increased fuel prices across the country. According to Indian Oil Corporations, petrol became costlier by 27 paise from 92.58 per litre to rupees 92.85 per litre, while diesel prices soared by 29 paise from rupees 83.22 per litre to 83.51 per litre. In the national capital, for the first time, petrol has breached rupees 99 per litre mark in Mumbai. Customers in the financial capital Mumbai will have to pay rupees 99.14 a litre for petrol and rupees 90.71 a litre for diesel. Bhat sinks of Bombay High, over 125 still missing. A massive rescue operation is on over the Arabian Sea. Barge P305, which had been impacted by cyclone Taukte, was officially declared sunk on Tuesday morning near the Bombay High offshore all rigs. Till 7:30 am on Tuesday, 146 of the 273 who were on board the barge were rescued. The sunk barge P305 was used as an accommodation base mid-sea for the workers on the project. The rescue operations that started around 1 p.m. on Monday continue through the night. 270 doctors died of COVID in second wave of pandemic. The Indian Medical Association (IMA) on Tuesday said 270 doctors across the country have succumbed to the coronavirus infection. In the second wave of the pandemic so far, Bihar saw the maximum number of 78 deaths of medical practitioners, followed by Uttar Pradesh 37, Delhi 29 and Andhra Pradesh 22. Last year, 748 doctors across India succumbed to COVID-19, while in the current wave, in a short period, we have lost 270 doctors. Sonu Sood notifies followers about fake COVID-19 donation campaign in his name. Actor Sonu Sood, who has been actively helping people amid the COVID-19 crisis, on Monday warned people about a fake foundation using his name to seek donation to help those in need. The actor took to the social media to alert his followers that there is an organization that is asking people to donate using his name but has no link with him. Please beware and report to your nearest police station, he wrote on Twitter alongside the posters of the organization named Sonu Sood Foundation, featuring his photograph. In Himachal, over 30% positivity rate in 6 districts. The COVID situation in Himachal Pradesh seems to be getting from bad to worse. Rate in 6 of the state's 12 districts has crossed the alarming level of 30%. Kangda, Solan, Sirmaur, Shimla, Mandi and Hamirpur districts have registered a transmission rate higher than 30%. The overall positivity rate has risen to 28.9% from 26.3% a fortnight ago, while the fatality rate has gone up from 1.42% to 1.52% in a week. As many as 439 deaths were reported between May 10 and May 16, the highest in a week during the pandemic. New mom Anushka Sharma shares valuable information for expectant mothers and amid pandemic. Actor Anushka Sharma on Monday shares information for expectant mother in need of medical aid amid the second wave of the coronavirus pandemic and cyclone Taukte making landfall in Maharashtra. Anushka and her husband cricketer Virat Kohli welcomed daughter Vamika earlier this year. Thank you and stay connected with Hilkus TV.